In this video, we will create design grid in Canva. So let's see the steps. Open a blank video page, click on uploads, select an image, increase its size after placing it on the right side. Now click on elements in the search box, search for grid, then click on graphics tab and select this one and change its color to white. Increase this grid size and rotate it like this. So now grid is placed properly. Increase its size, and now in elements in search box, search for shapes. Let's select this shape and you click on that, it will be added to the page. Now rotate it so that it will be parallel to one side of the grid like this, and now change its color to white. Now again copy this and place it on the bottom side after rotating it like this. And it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.